Running out of storage on your Windows PC and getting those annoying low disk space warnings? Yeah, that can slow everything down. In this guide, I'll show you simple step-by-step ways to free up storage safely without deleting important files. First, open Settings, go to System, then Storage. Windows already has a built-in cleanup tool that removes unnecessary files automatically. Next, clear temporary files manually. These files build up over time and can take several gigabytes of space. Select everything and delete it. Files inside the recycle bin still use storage until you permanently remove them, so go ahead and empty it. Now remove apps you don't use anymore. Old software and games often take the most storage space. Sort your files by size to quickly find large videos, downloads, or duplicate files taking space. Hibernation creates a hidden system file that can use several gigabytes. If you don't use it, you can disable it safely. To keep storage clean automatically, turn on Storage Sense. Windows will remove temporary files and old data regularly. Finally, move large files to cloud storage or an external drive to permanently free up space without deleting anything. And that's it. Your Windows storage should now have plenty of free space again. Try doing this cleanup once every month to keep your PC running smoothly.